Hello guys, I'm in Busan Station now because as you know that when soon start to BTS concert in Busan. That's why today I introduce how to go from Busan Station to Asiat concert place and how to go to airport, Gimhae airport to Busan Asiat concert place too. So when you guys coming to Busan, how to go to concert place two type airport and KTX, the fast train station. So if you're following me, so easy to find how to go to A. So let's go. So we arrive sports complex station. When you arrive this station, you need to go exit 9. Found exit 9 and go out. Unfortunately today weather not good, but that's okay. I'm thinking lucky for not rainy. Let's go. So I've been here first time. You can see far from here this big place, stadium. Anyway, if you walk here following this way, I think easy to find this place because really huge. When you guys coming to Busan, for example, which place meaningful and where is good place for travel or eat, I will post some more interesting video for information for guys. Sometimes I really talk bad about English because you has to know that English is not my mother language, second language. That's why I hope you guys understand my talking to. Already alive. Vika and me tried to be apply BTS concert ticket, but we fail. Little bit upset. So I really want to see when they come back, because you know that BTS not for Korean, not just for idol, because they start to make our country outside for really good image, and people start to love more Korean from them. Kind of like really meaningful people for us too. I think long time after our people generation remember them like a history people. I really respect Guys, BTS, thank you for everything for our country. Okay, we are live. Ta-da! They have second stadium. This is first stadium. I don't know, I try get inside, but if I can get inside I can show you, but I'm not sure that they open or. Let's go. Hey. Unfortunately I can't get in, but I can see inside. You guys can see? I will try just a second. Yeah. That's it. When you're coming, following my video, so I think you guys are not confusing. Of course, a lot of people use taxi, can take taxi or something car, but mostly time normal people use like a transportation. That's why I want to introduce how to take transportation, bus or train, and go to come to how come to here. So now I will try go to airport. Of course, this is not correct way. Somebody come from airport, you can follow in just opposite way my video. So I will start to go from here to airport. Yes, let's go. First, Sports Complex Center Station. You need to go this one. And Daejeon Station. Let's go. So when you get out Daejeon Station, so change airport line, have purple line. You need to change, go to airport. Let's go. So I arrive airport now. So I just come to near coffee, have drink coffee. So today I let you know guys how to come to concert place from Busan Station and from airport. So I think normally to Thai people coming to Korea like an airplane and train. So I introduce like to Thai. So anyway, if you're following this video, I can say that you guys are not confusing to come from the concert place. So even I will let you know more good information about how enjoying Busan. So for example, food or some good place for travel. So expect and subscribe our video and enjoy our country travel. Bye bye.